Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana, the paper pineapple, and today I'm documenting another week in my Project Life album. This is week 22, and I have already pre-printed my pictures on my Canon selfie printer. And here I'm just taking a couple cards from the May kit and possibly some of the April kit as well. So I'm just arranging those cards where I think I want them, and I go through a couple of the die cuts. This I believe is from the April kit, and here I'm just picking a couple and just trimming them to put on my pictures here. I'm gonna go ahead and take you through my week, starting with the top left hand side. That 4x6 picture on the top is a picture of my husband giving out an award and a medal to one of his friends, and I believe one of his soldiers in his I believe, I'm not familiar with everything, but I want to say his platoon. I'm not sure. But yeah, he had organized this get together for him. He's done in the military, and so therefore he wanted to do something special, and it was a great turnout, and it was so nice. I actually recorded this. Maybe I might just add in the actual speech that my husband gave. It was really nice. My family got to attend. And then the next 3x4 pictures below that is just a picture of my husband. I went with him to the hardware store picking up some chrome bolts and screws that he needed for his bike because he's building another Harley, and so that I thought that was fun to catch him in his, like kind of like when we go to the craft store kind of a thing, when we get lost in all the things. This is him in his little craft store. So I thought it was fun to add that in there. The next 3x4 picture over is a picture of my son receiving his award and medal for receiving the WAM's Warrior Pride, which is for physical education. He mastered all the events in a timely manner and exceeded everything. So he received a medal, and we were really proud of him because it was something that he wanted to do from the beginning of the year, and he did it. And so yeah, I just journaled a little bit about that, and we're so proud of him. He did so good this school year. All my kids did, and so we're super proud of them. The 4x6 picture below that, it's a picture of my pretty pineapples. We had a hangout this past month, and we decided that we'd do a little sip and paint, and that was so much fun. Of course, we painted pineapples, and that was fun. We all brought, something to snack on. I made the drink, and it was a pineapple delight drink that I made, and it was so good. Such a great time, and we'll be doing this again because we have two of our members that are missing, Katie and Stephanie, and so hopefully they'll be there at the next one. So many pictures. I need to actually scrap a couple of these events because there's just too many pictures to add into it. And here I'm just adding this journaling card here with the two little banners to decide that I would stamp out the date with my rolling date stamp, and then just journal a little bit about how our night went. On the right hand side is starting with the top 3x4 picture on the corner is a picture of myself, of course, and that is my selfie for my Thursday 3 post, which is hosted by Are You Kristen. I will go ahead and put all our handle and all that information in the description if you guys want to follow along, or if you guys want to join in with the community. And it's super easy. You just take a selfie and just jot down 3 life right now moments and then share it with everyone, and it's pretty fun. You guys should join. And I do add the 4x6 card there, and it says 1, 2, 3, and that's where I journal about my 3 life right now moments. I did journal that off camera because I am unable to pull that up on my computer. So yeah, I went ahead and added that. The next 3x4 picture below that, it's a picture of my daughter and her boyfriend and his goddaughter Audie, and she's so cute. And like just looking at this picture kind of gives me a glimpse of what it would look like if they were to have a family of their own. Just like those kinds of moments where I'm just like, oh my gosh, so crazy. So I definitely added a little piece here that says a good time spent or something like that. well day spent, or something like that. I can't remember. I can't see here, but here I'm journaling 5 things that I love about the season. Just the nicer weather, the seasonal fruits, I can't remember, ice cream. Just, you know, as the weather gets warmer, you just try to indulge in nice cold things. So, and I went ahead and added that. Here I'm journaling about the weekend fun. So I do journal a little bit the Saturday gathering that we did, that my daughter attended and that we attended. The 4x6 on the bottom there is a picture of my coworkers and I. We went out to dinner to celebrate. It was kind of sad because one of our coworkers, Nicole, she's one of the teachers that we work with, she was moving to Tennessee, and so we just had like a little dinner just to wish her well. And yeah, work is just not the same without her, but we understand, you know, she's moving on to bigger and better things, and we definitely encourage that. So yeah, it was kind of sad. It was like very bittersweet. So just to see all of us together, that was, you know, gonna be one of the last moments that we have together. So yeah, kind of sad, but we gotta learn to move on and encourage each other, right? Here I'm just journaling a little bit about my son's award, and then that is pretty much my week. I did a lot of journaling this time around. I'm super proud of that. Usually it's more pictures and less journaling, but you know, some weeks are different than others, and so I was gonna type all the journaling up on my computer, and I just got really lazy about it. I was just like, I just want to do it. So yeah, I did end up writing this by hand. I don't really care too much for my penmanship, but I figured that it's a part of me that I should share with my family anyway. So yeah, I need to get better at that. I just need to practice, you know, practice makes perfect, and so I just need to get with it. But anyway, here is my layout, my completed layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you see future uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a great week, and I will be filming another video soon. I hope to see you there. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.